Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to stay up on today's video? I'm going to show you how to edit videos in Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, and at the bottom of your screen you can see there's a plus sign. You can go to that and select the video you want to edit, or on the search bar you can look for videos and select the video. Once you select the video you want to edit, either from the templates or your own video, all you have to do is select the video. Then you can see there are options popping up from the bottom. You can use different filters, you can adjust it through adjust button, you can adjust its brightness, contrast, saturation, tint, etc. You can crop it, playback it, you can adjust its audio, or you can go a little more creative, go back and use few stickers. From the elements option, you can add photos from the camera roll, or you can draw on the video by using the draw option. There are a lot of options on Canva to edit it. You just have to go to elements or the apps option and look for it. And guys, that's it. That's how you edit a video using Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.